Hi everyone, I'm back again with another vlog. So this vlog will going to be packing again. I am so blessed that I am going to be packing. I think this is my most traveled year, if you could say that. I think it was because of the pandemic. We were staying at home all the time, and yeah, it was just crazy. Like, I love traveling, and this summer I have the privilege that I can, travel. So for this trip, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm going to Dubai and Maldives. I'm gonna be in Dubai for 3 days, I think, and gonna be 4 days in Maldives. So I need to pack, like, yeah. So I'm allowed to bring one. You can, for the Emirates, you're allowed to bring two carry on, not carry on, two check in baggage, one carry on, and then one personal item. But we're probably just gonna do one check in baggage, one hand carry, and one personal item, because when you transfer from Maldives, no, yeah, Maldives, the resort, the speedboat, I think they can only bring one check-in and one hand carry. So we really can't bring a lot of luggage because I don't think it's gonna be allowed. And yeah, let's pack together. Also, I just want to ask, how are you? And I hope that you're doing okay. And yeah, keep smiling always. And also, I just want to show my outfit today. It's gonna be this one. I'm gonna wear like a tank top with the baggy jeans. I'm just gonna go to the mall to, get some things before I leave. I'm leaving in, I think, 4 days. So yeah, I have to pack and haven't started. So let's pack together. I don't even know where to begin to pack. I feel like I'm out of outfits to show you guys, but we'll find something. So the first outfit I'm gonna show you, I always like to start from day one. So I'm doing an airport outfit. I'm gonna be wearing a white shirt. It's like a dress pants kind of, but it's very comfortable. It's not that tight. And white shoes. I want to look respectable, so maybe they can give me a first class. So it happens. Sometimes it happens. So hopefully they can be nice enough, because it'd be like, oh yeah, he looks so professional. Maybe we can give him first class. So that's my outfit number one. So this is gonna be my second outfit. It's gonna be I don't know, an oversized top with, it's kind of like a linen material, and the shoes. Huh? Nuggets? Yeah. So this is gonna be my third outfit. I don't even know why I keep wearing pants. I feel like it's gonna be so hot at freaking Dubai and I'm gonna be soaking, but whatever. So this is gonna be my outfit. It's a white shirt. It's from Galaxy Goodies. Striped pants and this white shoes again. Yeah. Hey, hey. Yeah, I'm probably gonna be sweating as hell. So this is gonna be my outfit when we're gonna be staying at the hotel. They have a water park, so it's gonna be a swimming outfit. This white top with faded. I don't know. Faded. It's a faded swimwear. Yeah. I don't know why, but I'm loving the white outfit. So this is gonna be my, maybe like a nighttime outfit when I go dinner. So it's gonna be like a white long sleeves, because I think it gets cold in Dubai around at night, and I'm gonna wear like a linen pant and this white pants. Yeah. This is gonna be another outfit. I just feel like my color palette is either brown, white, and like neutrals. But whatever. This is gonna be like a dinner outfit. It's like a top, knitted top. I don't know. Pants, and then this white. Yeah. I don't know what else to wear. Please forgive me. I'm probably gonna be wearing this to Maldives. It's like a rayon shirt with the cargo shorts, and I'm probably gonna wear like some sandals inside. Yeah, I don't know if I should keep doing this, but I'm gonna do it. Yeah. This is gonna be another outfit. This is like base colors, so basically, you know, so easy to mix and match with everything. It's just the shorts, and then if anything, you can just like literally wear it like this, or you can wear like swimwear with it. Yeah. This one is another outfit. I think it's from Good Fair. So Good Fair is online thrift store. So yeah, this top is from Good Fair. I'm wearing it with linen pants, and I'm probably gonna wear like sandals with it. The thing that I love this one first, it's thrifted, so you know you're helping the environment when you buy something like this. And yeah, it feels comfortable, looks great. Thank you. I don't know why, but I'm probably gonna do like a photo shoot with jeans at the beach, and I'm gonna be like captioning it, but like, who makes the rules? I can wear jeans at the beach like that. This is actually from Hallenstein Brothers. They're a brand from New Zealand, I believe, and yeah, their quality is so great, and the price is not even that expensive. So I'm gonna be wearing this. I'm gonna put it down a little bit so you guys can see it. It's this, and then jeans. Yeah. More to come. I feel like at this point, I'm not even trying anymore. I look like Jesus is gonna get me soon, so I'm wearing this white top with white shorts, and yeah, monochrome. Yeah, I don't know how many more outfits I should bring. I'm like scared that it's not gonna be enough, but yeah, I'm gonna do a little bit more for you. Look at how messy the thing now because of the outfit. So it's like outfits after outfits. I have like some more there, so I don't know if I'm gonna bring it. And yeah, and oh my god, it's definitely crazy. It's so dirty in here. I have like clothes from there, and that's a mess. Yeah, my mom is definitely gonna kill me. Yeah, bad. Sorry that I look like a mess right now. I'm just trying a bunch of outfits. This one's gonna be like me at the beach. I can open this up. It's like white swimming shorts with this top. I think I thrifted this top also, which is beautiful. I can just wear it like that. And yeah, I think this is gonna be the last thing on my videos. So I just want to say thank you for watching. I hope you can like, comment, subscribe, and share, and click on the notification bell so whenever I post, you get reminded. And I just want to say thank you so much, and I hope that you're happy and you're doing okay. Okay? Thank you so much. Bye.